We are in business. Good morning. Good morning. My name is Sivonnia DeBarros. I am here this morning with Mr. Darren Williams, the COO of Arisalon Media. Today, we're going to be talking about brand maintenance and legacy building during a national crisis. That takes us to opportunity. So, opportunity during a crisis. What's your opinion, Darren?
My opinion is right now, with everything being in flux, people have a lot of free time on their hands. And quite frankly, everybody's getting really creative with a lot of different aspects of filling up that time. And whether that's entertainment purposes, whether that's starting something, a pet project that you've been putting off for quite some time, like a blog or a YouTube channel, or going and finding a whole bunch of new recipes that you wanted to try, but you never did because you didn't have time to put all the ingredients together and read the instructions, right? People are going out and finding that they actually are able to get a little bit more creative and turn something that might be a passion and just a hobby into something that the public actually really tends some attention to. And that can really impact not only a personal brand, but a company brand, because let's say it's in line with whatever your brand has been up until that point.
Right.
Easy to continue to push that along, and people see that ingenuity in order to try something new. And as long as it's aligned with what you're doing and you know how to make it work,
right,
and side with that and find some type of solace or type of entertainment or use for what it is that you're doing.
Exactly. So one of the biggest, I don't want to say biggest, but some examples right now are, if we look at people who own gyms. Well, no one can go to the gym right now. So what are they doing? They are doing live workouts, or video recorded workouts where their clientele can still enjoy their brand. They can still enjoy working out with, with the trainers that they're used to being with, however many days of the week. I also saw on Instagram, this was very interesting. It was either Instagram or Facebook, where this individual was selling face masks, but it's not like, the regular type face mask that you can go and either buy from your Home Depot or the little very thin hospital mask. It was thick. It was I think it was water resistant. It had a lining. It was a lining in the front, and it showed how that face mask was different from others because the molecules in the coronavirus that actually penetrate general masks that people would normally wear, but this one had a water shield underneath that before it hits your mouth. I thought that was so creative, but they used the opportunity that is given to them to say, you know what, this is part of our brand by bringing products to market. So why not help in times of this crisis now by giving people something that they could trust? So going back to authenticity, let's give people something that they can trust that will also protect them. So I thought that was really good. One thing that I've seen a lot with entrepreneurs or small business owners, when we talk about opportunity, some people can't fathom that possibility, because maybe, like you said, they're dependent on this paycheck coming from this client, or they're going to miss however meetings that they were supposed to get paid for or what have you. But if you stop focusing on the negative things that are happening right now during a crisis, and allow the small space within this to help you find joy, that in itself will open up the floodgates to provide more opportunity. Would you agree with me?
Absolutely. And quite frankly, once you allow joy to seep into whatever it is that you're doing, quite frankly, you're probably going to enjoy doing what you're doing more so than what you enjoyed in the first place, because you allowed the possibilities to range and bring other things into the aspects of what you're doing. And especially when people start to see that positivity, that level of joy, especially during a crisis, people want a part of that. People want to feel that. They want to partake in that energy. They want to be able to have a piece of that in what it is that they might be enduring at the time. So, you know, if you set the fire at that point, then it's going to catch on. So